Hey, y'all, this your girl Tony. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to actually be making bacon in the oven. So crispy bacon in the oven. Trust me to be well. You won't have to fry it on the stove and have all the grease everywhere and skill to clean up and all this kind of stuff. Like I said, this is very quick and easy, and it's easy for any family or any individual to do. Throw it on a pan, put it in the oven. So let me show you how it goes, y'all. And make sure before I get started, make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel. And click that notification bell for all the videos that I upload so that you can get them on your phone or your tablet or your laptop whenever I do. So check this out, y'all. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. And as you see, I already have my pan lined with foil. I'm not going to grease this because the bacon already has a lot of grease already. So I will not grease this pan at all. And the bacon I'm using, I got this bacon from Walmart. You can get any kind of bacon that you want, whether it's turkey bacon. This is actually pork bacon. And it's called thick cut bacon. So is what this is. So all I'm doing here, of course, is taking the bacon out. Oops. And lining it on this pan, y'all. Stop making noise. There we go. All right. And like I said, you're going to do yours the same way. Take it out the pack. Let me take all this out, actually, while I can hold it in my hand. Okay. This is all the bacon. And this is all going to go on this sheet, too. Some of it may be a little overlapping. It just depends. But I'm hoping to get it all straight on here so I can cook. Let me see. There we go. Alrighty. And like I said, just line your pan with the bacon. And I'm going to cook this probably for about 15 to 20 minutes. And you can use this bacon, of course, however you want. If you want to put it inside of a dish like I am, I'm actually going to make a casserole with it. And you'll see that video on the page as well. Of course, you can make egg sandwiches, bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches, however you want to do it, biscuit sandwiches, whatever you want to use this bacon for. Once you do cook it, or you can cook it and save it in the fridge for a few days to add to your salads or that type of thing for garnishes or however you want to do it, y'all. But like I said, it's always good to add some bacon to some things. And let me know in the comments if you've made bacon in the oven, y'all. Like I said, this is not my first time, of course, at all. I do this quite often because, like I said, I don't like to fry the bacon on the skillet. I mean, in the skillet on the stove because it creates all the grease and all that stuff that I don't like. Put it that way, all over the kitchen, and I'm like, this ain't gonna work. So that's why I put mine in the oven, y'all. And like I said, I got a few more pieces too. I'm trying to squeeze on here. Trying to squeeze this on in, y'all. And I will get it, trust me on that one. Like I said, some may overlap, and that's fine. At least for me, it's fine. If you want yours individual and not touching, then of course, don't do this. Use two pans. I'm just using the one. Okay. All right. And like I said, here we go. The bacon is on the pan. So then I'm going to pop this on in the oven. It's already warming at 350. I'm going to pop this on in the oven, y'all. Pop it on in the oven. Like I said, for about, I always check it, but about 15 to 20 minutes at the most. And then you have some crispy bacon, y'all. Uh-oh. I need to wash my hands because I got bacon all over my hands. I can't touch something like that. Okay. There we go. I know I can cut this out. So there you go. Like I said, make sure the bacon cooks in the oven at least 15 minutes. It may be in there for 20 minutes. It just depends on how it looks after the time. Make sure that you check it. Don't just leave it in there and think it's going to cook and you come back and it's burned up because everybody's oven temperature is different. It can be 350, but it's not working well, or it's 350 and it's too hot, or that type of thing. Make sure that you check your bacon, y'all. I guess that's it. So like I said, I'll show y'all the finished product in about 15, 20 minutes. Be right back. All right, y'all, welcome back to Tony's Kitchen. Like I said, we're making some oven bacon today, and it is out the oven, y'all. Go ahead and check this out. Like I said, the bacon is out the oven, and it's definitely done. And I'm not going to be able to pick this up until maybe like 5-10 minutes to put it on like a little a paper plate with some paper towels so I can drain the grease off of this. Because like I said, I'm using it for a casserole. So, but like I said, you can use this bacon for anything that you want. But like I said, it is definitely done. And you can tell that it's crispy, y'all. Check out that crispness. Look good, don't it, y'all? Can y'all taste that through the phone? It looks good, y'all. But like I said, definitely this is bacon in the oven. Like I said, this was a very easy recipe and I've made it several times before, but never on camera for y'all. So I hope y'all like this video and let me know down in the comments if you're going to make you some bacon in the oven too. Peace out, y'all.